Here we are, curling on January 1st, 2015. Snowing heavily today. Good times to be out. Getting the rink ready, doing some measurements here. Nice work, guys. Good. Good job, Tyler.
What's that? Good. I gotta get two more shovels like that, because that's gonna span the whole system. And that way when we're playing, I could just take a quick pass through on a day like today.
We want to sketch the ice.
Would you mind standing on this end? I'm just gonna roll this up and get the chalk. Stand on the wood.
Nice form, Aaron. Nice form.
But to be honest, it is really pretty. The snow it'll make a bit more work for us, but we'll still be able to play just fine, and we're gonna have laughs and good fun. Yeah.
Drink a bit of beer, hey?
I wasn't gonna drink, but I feel like a beer already.
Cider, some schnapps.
We're done with this.